Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisupport njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
You can say all you want to say about Mbalula, and that's what I must give you a tip about him. The guy never lies. So he tells the truth. Mara unattacked, so he tells it not in a tactful way. So that's what gets him into trouble. But at the end of the day, that is the truth.
Kule nsuku ezedlule ke kwakhulunywa indaba yokuthi uDr Patrice Motsepe kungenzeka abe upresident omusha weANC. Lokho kungenza ukuthi agcine eseupresident wecountry. So ke ngaleso sizathu ikhulunyiwe ke le ndaba kakhulu. Umbalula ke wayesebona ukuthi no akangathuli. Into afuna kayenze ukuphawula ngalolu daba ukuze siclarifyele nathi njengabantu ukuthi kwenzakalani, singambona na uMtsipe ese upresident weANC ukuthi ANC mayingavotela uwine angaba upresident wecountry. Ekuphenduleni kwakhe ke uphendule kanje.
Uyabona ngoku kuthethwa nangabantu ongaziyo noba bane branch kuthiwa izawuba ngomongameli beANC ngoba banemali. iANC ayifani nokukhokhela ifootball club and all of that. Iyasetyenzelwa lento, ayo Sundowns le or Pirates. Uvuke ngomso ufuna ucontesta no Ivan Khoza. Or ufuna ucontesta no Kaizer Motaung. Ayifani lento nebhola. Niyeke lento ufanisa iANC nebhola. Iyasetyenzelwa lento. Umuntu xa kafuna ukhokhela iANC makazibonakalise apha. Ene abantu bamane besithi sifuna umtsipe andimazi noba imember yeANC lo muntu lo. Ewe imali yakhe siyayitya, uyayifaka from time to time. Uzibiza ngokuthi imember yeANC. Makube nediscipline apha eANC. Umtsipe ifufuna uphatha makazibonakalisa apha emasebeni uba imember yeANC. Sizokwazi udibana naye ngqo. Ene lento yabo iyadika. Isihlela apha emqaleni. Ifana nenyama oyityayo yenkomo etyebileyo ime apha. Every Sunday Motsepe is touted by who? Ngobani ixesha? Sithe imani nimile nimende discipline. Bayasinyengezela. Bayaxoka kule game abasoze balunge. Never. Abasoze. Ibambeni discipline yeANC comrades. Abo bafuna utya imali zabantu mabazityele kude kunathi. Asizukhokhela ngemali apha. Sithe abantu mabame. Masijongane nalento sijongane nayo. Kubi apha sikhoyo maqabane.
Sihlukanisele uMbax ukuthi uMtsipe akamazi noma uyimember yeANC na. Uyezwa nje abantu bethu uMtsipe bafuna bemember yeANC. Uthi khona yena imali yakhe bayayidla ngoba uyayifaka from time to time. Lokho ngeke akufihla imali yakhe yona bayayidla kodwa ukuthi mangabe ufuna uba president ayifani nebhola lento. Ayifani nje nebhola. Umbalula kusho kanje asidlulele kodabeni lesibili leNational Dialogue. Lolu daba umuntu owaqala ukukhuluma ngalo kwakuformer president wecountry uThabo Mbeki. Enkulumeni yakhe wathi ufuna kube neNational Dialogue wakhuluma kanje.
People want to participate. I'm talking about traditional healers, traditional leaders, everybody. At last we're going to have a possibility to speak for ourselves about the South Africa we want. So what has then happened, comrades, that there was a discussion that arose in a meeting of the NEC of the ANC. The ANC having accepted this, ANC accepted there must be national dialogue. The issue that arose was how was it going to be organized? The ultimate result was that it was agreed that the ANC would then discuss with the foundations about the actual organization of this thing. That discussion has taken place, comrades. And what is outstanding now is an announcement that will be made by the head of state about this matter. I can't say specifically what we'll say, but the intention is to make sure that the head of state, Comrade Cyril Ramaphosa, launches this to say, as you know, he has been saying many times, that he supports the national dialogue, and indeed even the government of national unity you've been talking about also supports. So he will then say, this is how we should proceed with regard to the national dialogue. It will set up a preparatory committee which will do the practical work to prepare for the beginning of the national dialogue. And that preparatory committee should be constituted, this is a proposal that has been made, should be composed of the NEDLEC executive, which is the government, business, labor, civil society, together with the foundations. That will be the preparatory committee. We'll then start the process of organizing this. An inclusive process. So I'm quite sure the party will get an invitation from that preparatory committee to say we are proposing that national dialogue should start at such and such a point. The party, you are invited, you are allocated 20 delegates, this will be the agenda, and so on.
Njengoba umuzwa kumzizi la wayesabeka ukuthi le national dialogue ihleleke kanjani ikhulunywe ngayo nini kulindweleke isimemezelo esizophuma ku-head of state oku-comrade President Cyril Ramaphosa. Kule viki ke sisuka kulo angisalikhumbula kahle usuku ukuthi bekulwesingaka noma lesithathu noma lesibili uyimemezeleke ukuthi izoba khona national dialogue uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Ngifuna ukumcaphuna ekhuluma ngayo kodwa ngifisa ukucaphuna nomunye ubaba ngazi bathe uprofessor noma ubani okhuluma ukuthi yiziphi izinto ezingase zenzeke sibiziwe ki-national dialogue ngoba isibizwe i-national dialogue ikuphi ofuneka kwenzeke ikuphi okungafanele kwenzeke nobubi nobuhle bayo ngiyacabanga uzozikhava lezi zinto lo baba asicasiza ukuthi uthene nopresident mangabe memezela le.
My fellow South Africans, today I wish to address you about the National Dialogue, an initiative that has been in discussion by a number of leaders in our country and many other people for some time. This initiative has been gathering great support and enthusiasm since it was proposed last year. It has been endorsed by a wide range of formations across society. Over the last few months, we've been engaged in discussions with various entities on the purpose and the form of the national dialogue. In the wake of these consultations, there is broad agreement that given the challenges our country is facing at the moment, we should convene the national dialogue. The idea of holding a dialogue is not a new concept in our country. In many ways, having dialogues is part of our DNA as a nation. At every important moment in the history of our country, we have come together as a nation to confront our challenges and forge a path into the future in dialogue with one another. Through dialogues, we were able to deal with the challenges that the apartheid system caused in our country and achieved peace and overcame violence.
Njengoba umuzwa ke upresident esho ukuthi cha njengoba bese kukhulunyiwe ngayo sekufika isikhathi ke sokuthi ayibe khona le dialogue njengoba beyiloku ikhulunywa futhi inconywa abantu abaningi ukuthi ayibe khona ukhuluma nokuthi ke iyaba khona nangaphambilini ukuthi izwe maselibona izinto azilunga kahle ake kuhlanganwe kuxoxwe kuboniswane kuzwe nemibono ehlukahlukene kodwa ke okufike kwangithusa kakhulu imali ezosetshenziswa kule dialogue. Kune article bhalwe Eyewitness News njengoba ubona la ku screen sakho ubhaliwe ukuthi preparatory committee for national dialogue estimate ukuthi imali engasisebenza u700 million. 700 million. Athi ngikucaphunela ivideo yakhona ngicela uzwe la.
We have received a draft budget from the preparatory task team. What we could say firstly is that democracy is not cheap. Building a nation is very costly. And that's why the next thing we're going to do, emerging from this work, we're going to go to the Inter-Ministerial Committee where we present the draft budget. Then we workshop that budget. And just to give you a sense, I mean, just to pull the provinces, the municipalities, you're looking probably estimation of more than 700 million. So that's quite a lot of money. So we just need to make sure that we deal with all those issues. But this includes the following. If you take the States SA in terms of reaching out to people through their processes of numeracy and doing counting in the country, those are some of the existing resources that the state has. So you might be tapping into those existing resources so that what you then call operational costs might be then taken into other existing programs of the state so that indeed no one is left behind. Using also what the Home Affairs has so you can reach out as many South Africans as possible. The other issue, of course, is the digital communication. That as well will be another method through the work that already exists, whether through GCIS, but also working with the media, as you heard in the statement that there is a communication work stream, and that communication work stream will pull together various existing initiatives.
Njengobuzwa ukuthi bathi ama-estimation mabe-estimator imali ezodingeka ibalelwa ku700 million. Okungenzeka igcine seyimore. Ngifisa ukucaphunela ivideo yokugcina ekuyiyona yenza ukuthi ingiphathe kabi lento ngoba neSondo Commission of Inquiry yaspenda 1 billion ekugcineni kosuku ayenzanga lutho. Asibonanga umuntu oboshwayo ngoba kwakunenhloso ethize ababenayo mhlawumbe ngoba ifezekanga manje ke kwaspenda nje 1 billion mahala sizomcaphuna ke lo baba uza ukuthi uthini nemveni kwalapho bese sivalivile.
I mean, there's no doubt, Dr. Msimang, that there is a need for a conversation, especially now that the country is in this government of national unity. There are a lot of challenges as well that are facing the country. But the question is, will this be another talk shop? Because if history is anything to go by, what's this going to really provide as outcomes?
Well, there is absolutely no doubt that at the rate we're going, there is a need for the nation to discuss. And I am impressed with the range of stakeholders who have been invited to participate in the leadership of this national dialogue. So the intentions are good, but as you point out, the recommendations that will be made will ultimately be implemented by the political system. It's going to be extremely important that these are taken seriously. I wish we could have a way of making sure that if they didn't do that, we would find a way of sanctioning them. The situation is really bad. You see it in the streets. People are poor. 30 years on, really poor. In fact, statistics indicate that there's been an increase. Unemployment, I was glad the president talked about, confesses that unemployment is high and there's underemployment. Worst is that it's happening among young people. So there's really a need. I don't think we should allow this not to be successful.
Yeah.
There must be a way of ensuring that the recommendations that are made by this group of representative people are implemented.
And perhaps
Njengobuzwa ke nawe ekhuluma lo baba ukuthi impela yinhle dialogue kodwa into eyiproblem abantu afuneka ba-implemente noma yini ezobe ivelizwe lapho ilabo ibo laba abezepolitiki abasuke bephethe inkinga engicabanga ukuthi inkulu ke lesinayo iyinkinga enkulu esinayo njengoba bengenza umzekelo ukuthi kuneZondo Commission of Inquiry eyaspenda 1 billion akhona ama-recommendations, ikhona imiqingi yamaphepha yanikezwa upresident, akaze kwenzeke lutho. Ne-national dialogue izoba nenkinga enjalo. Mhlampe yona izoba nenhlahla ngoba ngizule kuthiwa no-DA bayayincoma. Mhlampe ngenxa leso sizathu izogcina implementekile. Bengithi kangulethele le video uzwe ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho kulo lonke lolu daba lolu, ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Sizobona ukuthi sicover yiphi indaba. Ngibone nale ndoda ye-DA ukuthi seyijoin i-PA. Ngifuna ukwenza ivideo ke ngalokho ngoba ngiyasazi isizathu esenza ukuthi ashiye i-DA aye ku-PA. uJacobs ngiyasazi isizathu. Kodwa ngibona ukuthi mangase ngiqale manje le video izoba yinde kanti akuyona inhloso yami leyo. Ngicela ukuthi siyibambe le video manje, ngiyethemba lokuthi mina nawe sodibana kwi video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.